Welcome to Fantastic Vision. Please subscribe us before you watch today's video. China's chip market is very large, and the annual cost of importing integrated circuits is more than $300 billion. Chip giants from many countries have to do business in China. However, since the beginning of this year, China has continuously reduced the number of chip imports. The reduced chip imports in the first half of the year alone amounted to $47 billion, which is equivalent to cancelling 320 billion yuan of chip orders. After that, domestic optical chips made another major breakthrough, taking the field of optical computing as a breakthrough, or helping the rapid development of artificial intelligence and other technologies. The United States panicked. China's chip imports continue to decline. China has always been very dependent on chip imports, especially high-end chips. In this regard, China's independent research and development level is relatively low, and domestic manufacturers have not yet mastered manufacturing capabilities, so they need to import a lot. China also needs to import some special-purpose chips, such as core technology chips, security chips, graphics processor chips, and so on. The United States has implemented strict chip export control measures against China, restricting the export of some key technologies to China, including semiconductor equipment, software, and technology, which are the key needs of research and development by Chinese technology companies. The United States has also strengthened restrictions on Chinese technology companies, including banning Chinese companies such as Huawei and ZTE from using American technology and equipment, and adding these companies to their entity list to restrict trade with them. If the United States does not sell chips, there is no need for China to rely too much on imports. What's more, the demand for high-end chips has declined. Mature chips can be produced domestically. More and more chip orders are produced and sold domestically, which has prompted China's chip imports to continue to decline. Customs data show that China's chip imports in the first half of this year fell by 22.4% year-on-year, a decrease of $47 billion in imports compared with the same period last year, which is equivalent to cancelling 320 billion yuan of chip orders. If China stops buying chips, it will undoubtedly have a big impact on US chip exports. It is not so easy for US chip companies to make a lot of money. Breakthrough of domestic optical chips. The United States also wants to further restrict the development of Chinese chips, completely unaware of what this will bring to American companies. China will not allow the United States to stop chip research and development. On the bright side, China's optical chips have made major breakthroughs. Taking the field of optical computing as a breakthrough, it may help the development of artificial intelligence and other technologies. The breakthrough subject of this technology is the Chinese Academy of Sciences. They have developed an ultra-highly integrated optical convolution processor, which has greatly improved the transmission efficiency of optical chips. Compared with NVIDIA's A100 chip, the running speed is even 1.5 times to 10 times faster. Many people are relatively unfamiliar with optical chips, which is also understandable, because almost all chips on the market are electronic chips, which are made of silicon-based materials. The optical chip is a chip based on optical principles rather than electricity. It can process, transmit and convert optical signals. Compared with traditional electronic chips, it has higher bandwidth, lower energy consumption, and higher speed, and greater stability. In simple terms, the processing and transmission of information is realized through the control and modulation of optical devices. Optical chips have a wide range of applications, such as communications, Internet of Things, medical, energy, and other fields can use optical chip technology. The breakthrough of the optical convolution processor is of great significance to the development of China's chip industry and artificial intelligence technology. First of all, high-efficiency optical chips can greatly improve the speed and efficiency of data transmission, and help improve the training speed and real-time processing capabilities of artificial intelligence algorithms. Secondly, the low energy consumption characteristics of optical chips are also expected to provide more efficient and reliable solutions for large-scale cloud computing, Internet of Things, and other fields. Trends and application prospects of optical chips. The United States panicked. The chip industry has always been the main technology position of the United States. It is not easy for other countries to master chip technology beyond the United States. After all, it is the origin of semiconductors, and the knowledge patent system owned by the United States has formed a huge technical barrier. If you want to bypass American technology, you have to develop a variety of new chips, and optical chips may be an ideal chip development direction. So what are the trends and application prospects of optical chips? It can be said that optical chips are one of the important development directions of the future chip industry, and have broad application prospects and development potential. For different fields, the performance of optical chips is also different. For example, in terms of high-speed communication, optical chips can achieve higher speed and more stable data transmission, and have great application prospects in data centers, cloud computing, 5G communications, high-definition video, and other fields in the future. There is also artificial intelligence, which can improve the training speed and real-time processing capability of artificial intelligence algorithms, and will be widely used in image recognition, speech recognition, automatic driving, and other fields in the future. In addition, optical chips can provide more efficient and reliable solutions, and rely on the Internet of Things scenario to bring better experience to enterprise users and ordinary consumers. Now that China has made certain research breakthroughs in the field of optical chips, it can make good use of the basic theoretical advantages and then transform them into practical results step by step. In this process, domestic manufacturers have to pay full attention to technology research and development direction, and understand market demand and application scenarios. With the accumulation of these aspects, I believe that other technical problems of optical chips can also be overcome. After China cancels the 320 billion chip order, more chips will be produced domestically. At that time, it is expected to establish a complete industrial chain for optical chips. From design to manufacturing to packaging, domestic manufacturers will participate. Although it is still far away from this goal, the future is promising. If you agree with the point of view of this video, please like it, welcome to Forward, leave a message and share.